Well, we finished our cook, and this is the awkward time where the cook gets judged by the expert.
I don't know who the expert is here, Steve. You're an incredible cook. And I think that's been proven on the competition circuit. So,
well,
but this all looks incredible. So thank you.
I appreciate you saying that.
It all looks
So I hope you're hungry.
I'm very hungry, and it all looks incredible. I can't wait.
All right, here we go. All right, there's a whole half chicken spatchcock.
Looks incredible.
This is our chicken butchery video with a buttered panned chicken.
Looks incredible.
The one pan corn mac and cheese.
I've never had corn mac and cheese.
All
I'm
right.
excited.
Let's dish you up a plate. What do you think?
Let's do it.
All right.
Not gonna fight you on that.
And this is extra thick. If you like your mac and cheese a little runny, you'd put a little more water or cream in it. But, you know, I've never heard anybody complain about too much mac and cheese.
No.
All right. We'll get over here.
Incredible pan there. I like that. The thighs look good.
We're gonna give you a thigh. How's that?
Sounds great. Look at that.
Okay.
Unreal.
There's that.
Wow. You hate to even cut that thing. It looks so good.
I hope it tastes better than it looks.
Oh, it looks incredible. I
Okay.
hope you can. The camera captures how good it looks.
Yeah.
It looks incredible.
So here's how I'd butcher a whole spatchcock chicken after the cook. If you remember, we removed the breastbone, so it's going to be really simple
Right.
just to run right through the middle of it
There you go.
and separate it.
And then there was half.
And then there was quarters, and we're just going to follow the thigh down. There's a chicken quarter,
Wow.
chicken quarter, and I'm just going to guess that, oh,
There you go.
there we go. Well, we're going to give you a leg and thigh. How's that? Give you a spoon, and there you go. You let me know what you think.
Dirty job. Start with the mac and cheese because I love mac and cheese.
It's a good base. You can add a lot of your barbecue meats to it.
That's really good.
Yeah, it's a little different.
No, it is a little different, but the corn complements the cheese very much.
Right.
I will have another bite.
There you go. Nice. That's the best compliment ever. Somebody that goes back and cleans the plate.
It is, yeah. It's really, really good.
Yeah, awesome.
All right.
Here,
I'm gonna-
there's a knife here too.
Here we go. A little piece of the thigh off. That's really good too. That is really good.
Good.
Another piece of that.
You know, it wasn't anywhere close to a competition cooked chicken thigh,
Yeah,
but it doesn't have to be
I
to
was
be
gonna
good.
say, I think I like it better.
Yeah,
All right,
awesome.
now the one with the handle. What did we use for sauce on this?
That is Blues Hog Champion Blend.
Can't go wrong with blue sauce.
You can't.
It's all really incredible stuff, Steve.
Great.
Thank you for coming out.
Hey.
We're so grateful to have you here to do this video.
Pleasure.
To be a part of Team BBQ Pit Stop.
Yeah, it's great to be hosted. Thank you so much for allowing me to do this and share some of my skills. You know, I would just say if anybody has any input and comment, log into the video, leave them down below. I'm always trying to learn and get better, and proud to be part of the family of BBQ Pit Stop Pro Staff.
Perfect. Thanks, Steve.
Awesome. Thanks, Steve.